Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get and use image playground on iOS 18. So guys, let's get started without wasting precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to get and use image playground. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the setting tab, and then you have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on general. And from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to software update and make sure that you are using iOS 18.2. So just simply have to go to about, and from here guys you can find iOS version iOS 18.2. If you're using iOS 18.2, just simply have to go to the settings again and just simply have to search for image playground. So you can see here guys, there is nothing because I don't have iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max or 16 series. If you have iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max or 16 series, then you have to update your device to the iOS 18.2 and you can easily use image playground and you can easily get image playground. Okay guys, if you don't have these devices and you want to create the image, then you can do it very easily by following this way. Okay guys, so guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the chat GPT. So let me go to the chat GPT, and from here guys, just simply have to write anything. Give me the prompt for nature pics. So just simply have to copy this prompt, copy it, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to Leonardo AI, or you can also go to get img, or you can also go to Angiogram or CART. You can find a lot of things from here. So let me open Safari browser. Now I'm going on. So just simply have to search for this and you have to open first link. Now from here guys, just simply have to tap on continue with Google. So you can see here guys, it's opening right now. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to image creation. So you have to start up this like this. Now tap on done. Now accept terms of service, go to image creation, write the prompt here. So paste the prompt, and now scroll down and you just simply have to go to create. Now you can create the images by following this way. You can find here guys, here are the images 1 2 3 or 4. Okay guys, if you don't have iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max or 16 series, then you can create the images from here. Okay guys, and if you have these devices guys, you can easily use the image playground. So you can see here guys, so let's wait guys. You can find here guys, these are the images. So you can also download these images by tapping on that. Tap on download, it's done. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.